Apple to the upside.
Yeah, Apple broke through that double top. 2-minute EWO is in effect to the upside. Isn't that funny? You guys look at the entire market is tanking out and look at Apple doing its own thing, right?
Yeah, it was beautiful, coach.
Yeah, that's
Done.
Apple is like all my beer.
Yeah, it's like I'll just do what I want. You guys knock yourselves out.
News that they were investing what 500 billion into their all their U.S. facilities. So
Yeah, I saw that. What do you know, right? You create tariffs so people don't go overseas, and guess what happens? They stay here.
Apple fell asleep just going sideways.
Yeah, let me look. So Apple, I can see sitting on that shelf at 247.30, which is consolidation area. It's still to the upside. It's still staying up nice and tall. It's still extremely bullish. Everything still looks good on Apple. Yep, you got your 21 EMA sitting around 247.30. It's just consolidating sideways, looking for the next move, gang. If you guys are in 2-minute EWO, you're still set up for success. You hear me?
Yes, sir. We're still sitting in the upper half of the regression channel and trading view, so not heavy.
Yeah.
Right as you say it wakes up.
Well, that's good. It's because it's still staying up tall. I don't see it heavy on the vine where you can start to see it right coming to the downside. It's just a consolidation area. That's where it's just taking a breather to the next move. You guys can see it on my screen here. Let me draw this out. So if you guys look at this, right, this is just its consolidation area. So as long as we're staying up here, man, this thing is beautiful. Nothing to panic about. This is why I want you guys to be in the mindset, especially my 2-minute EWO riders, right? You guys are golden. If you guys got in, obviously way lower than this, just take it easy. Shed when you're supposed to. Take some of the weight off. Now, if you look at the trade, so check this out. It went up, sideways, up, pulled back, shed, up, pulled back, shed, sideways. You see the difference? As long as it doesn't pull here, and then I would shed, I'm still in this trade, right? We're looking for sheds on pullbacks, not shed on consolidation. Hope that makes sense. Right here, Apple. Do you see how that broke through exactly what we were talking about at 247.30? Shed. Do you see it? You remember what I said? If it's consolidating, I leave it alone. If it pulls, I take. That's a take. You see the difference? Right here, Apple. Do you see how that broke through exactly what we were talking about at 247.30? Shed. Do you see it? You remember what I said? If it's consolidating, I leave it alone. If it pulls, I take. That's a take. You see the difference? Now look at Apple bleed out. Look at Apple bleeding out. That's why I said if it broke below that 247.30, I take. Do you see the difference between consolidation and a pull? Apple is now below VWAP, so you're all over that.